Hey guys, so we're back from our camping trips the next day after we arrived, and I woke up, got some coffee. I need some food, but for now what I want to do is offload all of the laundry, like the bedding back here and all of our clothes, and let's get those all sorted and get some laundry going, because I feel like I'm just going to be washing laundry for the next 2 weeks because we have a bunch. So I'll turn around, give you a view, and we'll get started.
Monsters out your window. No, you can't sleep. You pretend though you don't have to play the hero. 'Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
So I just love this little camper so much. It's not a great big giant one. It's not super fancy, but it is ours. And we have so much fun camping. We went on a 7-day camping trip, which is the longest one we've taken yet. And we just had so much fun. It was so relaxing. It was so great to be outside, right? Not inside places. And just to be together and get away from the house, get away from all the normal stuff that we have to take care of and on a daily basis. So we lived in this thing for 7 days, and I'm telling you, I feel like we packed the entire house, but that's okay. It took me all day to get this laundry done. It's not really that difficult, just a lot of big items to take care of. But I wanted to just do a quick introduction. Also, my name is Anna, and I live in Oklahoma, and I've been married to my husband for 10 years. We have 2 boys, 3 dogs, and a cat. And one of our dogs, Dexter, the big white pit bull, he came with us for camping, his first camping trip too, and he did fantastic. So right here are where the kids' bunk beds are. And we had a fan for each of the boys to help push some cold air into their room, which worked out really, really good. And then I have a little stool that I found on the side of the road that we use. It folds up, open and close, and we just use it to crawl up inside the bed. And so I kind of spared you guys a lot of footage of me crawling all up inside of the bunk bed. It wasn't pretty. It's not fun to make. So after I was done washing everything, I just folded the sheets up and put them on the end of the bunk bed so the kids can make their own beds later.
When your nightmares turn to real life and the ground's filled up with landmines, we will face it standing side by side.
Over here in this corner of the camper is the catch-all bed. It's our bed, the master bed in the camper, and we just put items on top of it while we're driving down the road, like our fans and just whatever else we just need to toss up there. And it actually works out really well because the blankets sort of keep stuff from flinging all over the camper. But I had to declutter it first before I could get to all of the blankets, which I'm telling you, making a bed inside a camper, I don't care where the bed is located, it's just difficult all around, a pain in the neck. So it's always a struggle to try to get the blankets straight and kind of halfway smooth, so when you crawl in bed at night, they're not all wadded up underneath you. But I did manage to finally get this thing taken apart without, I don't know, playing Twister or something, or doing gymnastics to get it done. So we'll get these all washed up.
Come running when you need. I'm coming. You know I'll come running. You go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarm and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, yeah, I'm coming, I'm fighting. Swear on the breath that I breathe, I'll never retreat, yeah, I'll be your army.
Okay, I got everything sorted, and this is what we have. So we have a big, as you can see, there's a table. I don't know if that gives you a reference for size. We have all of our sheets, and then this pile is towels and a couple of hoodies with heavy zippers, so I'll wash them with the towels. This whole hamper, which is just huge, it's hard to tell, but this thing is full of just your regular colors, shirts and shorts and socks and stuff. And then I have in there all of our underwear, which I have it covered up, and then a big pile of blankets. And you can see that little laundry basket. That gives you maybe a size reference to what we have to deal with. And then I'll go in here. Everything's a little bit of dirty, but in the laundry room I also have a small pile of shirts with really good stains on them, but I'm out of OxyClean, so I'll go pick some more of that up and get those sprayed. And then in this bucket I have two whole hampers full of whites, and this will probably be 3 loads worth of laundry because I've like pushed them all down and they're pretty heavy. So we'll get the first load going.
If you go to war, then I'm going with you. Pick up my sword, yeah, there's nothing I won't do. When you sound the alarms and the chaos is rising, leading the charge, I'm coming, I'll fight. So cliche, I see the sparks you throw my way. I know your name is written on everyone's mind. Your whole show is captivating me, but don't think that I can see right through that disguise. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, yeah, now I get it, you got heads turning.
So, in real life, this pile of laundry that I had here in the rec room took me the entire day to do, like early morning to late evening. I had a lot of blankets. They took forever. So rather than you guys watch me transfer this from the washer to the dryer and to fold it and put away, I just cut all that out, and through some YouTube magic video editing, we have no more laundry.
And you don't even try. Well, would you look at that? My glass is empty, glass empty. How about I get another drink, baby, drink, baby? Okay, I get it. You got fire burning, fire burning.
Okay, so I got the laundry rolling, switching stuff out inside there in the laundry room. So in the meantime, I'm going to move inside the camper and start wiping things down. You accumulate a lot of dust and dirt and mud and stuff inside the camper while you're camping. You're in an outdoor environment, so everything gets brought in, and I like to get everything super clean and wiped down and vacuum and mopped and all that jazz after a camping trip. So the next time we do want to go camping, at least we have a clean space to start with, and I don't have to go in and clean first. And so I like to close it all up, get it all locked down with some really good smelling cleaning products, so you don't have a weird, damp, nasty smell the next time you go camping. So that's what we're doing. We're going to just start cleaning this sucker up.
In your eyes, so when you got this whole thing, I like the way you look at me. How about we just go with the flow? Now you know I feel it too. But I don't think this could be something that becomes a thing. Maybe just for tonight, then I'll be over you. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, hard, baby. Yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning, and you don't even try. Well, would you look at that? My glass is empty, glass empty. How about I get another drink, baby, drink, baby? Okay, I get it. You got fire burning, right there in your eyes. Oh yeah.
I just wanted to talk here for a second about what's inside these cabinets here above the kitchen sink. I have two, I guess they're folder containers that I got at the dollar store at the beginning of the school supply season. And we just put our paper plates in there, and then paper plate holders, like those plastic, plates that you can snap inside a paper plate inside it. And I got those paper plate holders at a farm tractor supply store down the street. And then that 3-tier holder is from Big Lots. And we have our washcloths and towels and some pot holders in there. And then I have little containers, school box, pencil box containers that I put our plastic forks, knives, and spoons in. And those worked out super great. It's a fantastic idea. So you guys are going to get to take a look at why I want to wipe down everything in the camper, even though you can't really tell that it's dirty. The stove here, the black stove, shows like all of the dust that accumulates on all of the surfaces in the camper while you're camping. It is really, really dusty, and we wiped that thing down several times while we were camping. So I just kind of can imagine what's on the walls and the other countertops that are all brown that you can't really see the dust. So that's why I want to get everything cleaned up really, really good. Moving along to the bathroom sink area, I just want to wipe everything out. I did keep some of the travel size stuff inside the camper, even though we're going to lock it up and close down the camper. These things that I left in here are not going to like explode from heat or freeze or be any problems. So just left that stuff in there. And I didn't show me cleaning the shower and the toilet area. It was just going to be too hard. There's no way I was going to be able to get the camera bathroom and just show you guys me cleaning it without it being super awkward, or all you saw was like my backside the entire time. So just trust the fact that I cleaned it, I bleached it out really well, and it's ready to go. Above the master bed is where we kept the kids' clothes and our bath towels. So one of the containers held the bath towels. The other three I divided up between the boys' clothes. And then we were able just to pull a container down in the morning, grab what the kids were going to wear for the day, slide it back up there. And then I didn't have extra backpacks or duffel bags floating around into the camper because it's not the biggest space for us to travel in with all four of us. And then on the sides of the bed were hanging closet organizers that I bought from Amazon. And then Michael and I each had our own side of the bed, and we just rolled our clothes up into those closet organizers, and they worked out phenomenally. I'm so glad that I did that. I just have down some pieces of leftover carpet from a project cut with a box knife, and we just laid them in the floor. There's one in the kitchen area, and then there's one at the front door. And what I did was I wanted to vacuum the front side of the carpet and then flip it over and vacuum underneath it, because there was a lot of like tiny rocks that kept coming through the bottom of the rug onto the camper floor. So you'll see me vacuum the rugs up really good, and then I'm going to throw them outside the camper out on the ground so that I can get the floors mopped or vacuumed and mopped really well. And then I think that should finish everything up inside of here. We're getting close to the end of the video here. Just one final stretch to vacuum and mop this little front entryway area in the master bedroom. I want to thank you guys for staying to the end, and thanks to all of my subscribers that I do have. You guys mean the world to me, and it makes my heart happy to see all of you guys hanging around and all of the views that I get on these videos as I get things started for my YouTube channel. I plan on doing lots more camping vlogs and cleaning videos and organization for the camper as we get back into camping season after the winter here. But we're going to get this thing finished and get the camper winterized, and it smells fantastic inside, so it should be perfectly clean for the next time we want to open it up and go camping. So thank you guys so much, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye.